Are you tired of endless promises of easy riches online? Well, it's time to uncover the truth. Stick around to find out why these get-rich-quick schemes are a trap and discover what it really takes to succeed. Today, we're diving into one of the most persistent myths of the digital age, the promise of easy money online. Now, you've probably seen countless ads and videos from internet gurus claiming you can make thousands with little to no effort. But let's be real, if it were that easy, wouldn't everyone be doing it? So this YouTuber posted a video viewed by tens of thousands claiming you can earn $178 in 30 minutes using Google for free. And I think most of these YouTubers are pretty much full of but I'm going to try this dude's method as well as a couple of other online and offline side hustles. Let's see if I can earn $100 every 30 minutes with Google for free. You know what? I actually have my serious doubts. So I will see if I can do it within 30 days. Now, if by some crazy miracle I actually earn $100 in 30 minutes, I'll eat this little habanero pepper. And I will give away all the money that I earned to someone random in the comments. Let me clarify, not all the money that I earn or ever earn, just the money that we earn on one of these things that we're trying to debunk, whether it's Google, any of the other things that we try through this video. Alrighty, let's get started.
Most people don't know that you can actually use Google and this free AI tool to make thousands of dollars every single week working just 30 minutes a day. My name's Alan from Smart Money Tactics, and step one in this strategy, what you want to do is you want to come over to Google, you want to type in Google News, and you want to click onto news.google.com. Gonna copy this.
I honestly can't even keep up with any of this. I mean, you would have to review this and review this and review this, or have a course, which I have a feeling probably sells down in the description there. You'd have to have a damn course to go through all of this. So one, it's not free. I'm going to be spending money, time, all that kind of crap. So this is horse. Sorry.
Where we're going to do this with one simple click. It's going to...
Let's start back over, Hunter, because, I mean, holy shit. I mean, I don't even know what the hell to type in on half of this crap. I mean, he goes so damn fast. Let's try it again.
Most people don't know 10 minutes. It stays over here. And what we're going to do is get started. Going to get started.
Absolute horse.
Called the Eiffel to make money online. It says publish to WordPress. If you don't have a website, that's fine. You don't actually need one. All you need to
just scroll up to the top and plop on your WordPress site, and then you do this and you do that and you do this and you do that, and then you know what? You've got hundreds of thousands of dollars in your bank account. Bullshit. It'll probably take me 30 days just to figure all of this out, and that's worth at least, I don't know, maybe $1,000 for my time. So remember, time is money, baby. So that pretty much debunks the free statement. And like my daddy always told me, ain't nothing worth a damn for free. Well, I'll do my best, and I'll probably get my much more tech-savvy son to help me set this convoluted mess up so we can actually see what happens. Now stick around, and I'll share the results at the end of this video. But the honest truth, making significant money online is far from easy. It requires dedication, time, and a lot of freaking hard work. Now, according to a report by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, only a small percentage of people who attempt to make money online actually achieve high incomes. Most people end up spending more money on courses and tools than they ever earn. Hey, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button and check out what this next YouTuber tried. This YouTuber, which I actually like, mentions print on demand as a viable option. To get our dropshipping business started, we're going to need a supplier and a platform to sell our shit. And we decided to go ahead with Printful since we actually have used them for another business before, and because they offer a wide array of options. Now, we've already made an account before, and this isn't a full-blown tutorial, so we're not going to show you how to set everything up step by step. But we have confidence you can figure it out since it's pretty straightforward for the most part. We went ahead and selected Etsy as our marketplace, so we created an account with them as well. And after having both up and running, it was time to create our products and optimize both platforms. To create our products, We randomly chose iPhone cases as our item, and then we browsed Etsy to see what was popular. And we were inspired by this Van Gogh skeleton, so we decided to try a similar art style but with different characters. Now this is what we came up with. My son and I are clearly not designers by any means, but we created these using Canva and AI. And we created a Van Gogh goose and a Van Gogh business line. Not quite what we imagined, but hey, it was difficult to achieve what we wanted with our free membership of DaVinci Resolve since our AI generations were limited. And creating AI art also turned out to be a huge learning curve. And we also threw in some motivational iPhone cases as well just to mix it up. If we were to do this again, we'd probably hire someone to create something really unique, but for the sake of efficiency and time, this is what came to fruition. Then we connected our Printful account to our Etsy account and chose the type of iPhone cases we wanted, and then customized them with our designs, descriptions, and prices. And the integration between the two platforms makes it easy to add new products and change various settings. After everything was set up, we let this sit for a couple of weeks, although it was probably not the best idea. The setup and stuff is not as straightforward as someone would lead you to believe. You will need to dedicate more time and really dive into the ins and outs of selling successfully on Etsy and learn stuff about ad spend and actually creating the ads. And also picking the wrong products can leave you upside down depending on the spread after everything is said and done, which means product selection or type of sourcing has to be well thought out to make a profit. Hey, but we got one sale at least and made a whopping, wait for it, $2.21. But not really though, because it was actually my own purchase. But I got this really cool phone case. And by the way, Etsy will charge you like $29 or so for a setup fee. So again, really not free. And that was kind of a bummer too, but let's check out this last attempt. After some research for other possible online and offline sources, I found the RX Hacker Pro Pharmacy Discount Card program. It actually provides the ability to promote services both online and offline, or in a physical manner, so to speak. Now, signing up for this one was simple. Just go to rxhacker.com to sign up and follow all their steps to get started. You're given lots of tools to work with, and there's some cool little features to explore. Now, after getting set up, I printed some cards and used one on my own prescription, and I also passed some out to a local urgent care facility, a pharmacy, and my doctor's office. I also sent a digital image of the card to all of my friends, family, and business contacts. I did this for 30 days while we finished setting up the free Google bullshit from earlier in this video. Let me show you the results from the digital and physical distribution of the pharmacy discount cards. Quite surprising, actually. And don't forget, the Google results are coming up soon too, and the possibility of me eating this hot ass little pepper and giving a lucky subscriber some money and probably throwing up in front of you. Okay, let's check it out. After a month, we saw we actually had some transactions processed, and I made a small commission every time someone used the card. Actually $43.50, and most of that or even more will be paid out next month residually for any refills or if they keep using the cards for other customers. Imagine if we kept getting more cards out there. Pretty cool. And you gotta love that residual kind of income. Okay, so let's get to the nitty gritty and talk about what happened with the Google strategy. Well, basically, we didn't make jack. Zero, nada, null, whatever language you want to translate it into, we made zero. But you know what? Because I assumed we wouldn't make anything that easily anyway, and we actually ended up earning $43.50 without much investment with the RX Hacker program, I'm going to round it up and give away $50 to some lucky subscriber who leaves a comment. And I don't care what you say, kiss my grits or thank you very much. Just leave a comment, please. Also, I have never taken a bite out of one of these, so for curiosity's sake, let's try this tasty bad boy out, and let me grab a bucket, actually just in case. Got my handy bucket here, and got a little bit of milk just in case, and hope we don't have to throw up. But let's try this bad boy out and see if it's as spicy as what they say. I don't think it's as bad as, what they, holy, I don't think it's as bad as what they really say. That's pretty damn hot. That's pretty damn hot. I'm not going to throw up. I'll spare you that, but holy crap. Woo, chicory boy, howdy, that's hot. Woo. So what does it really take to make money online or with your own side hustle in general? Well, the simple answer, hard work, consistency, and time. The successful online and offline entrepreneurs spend years honing their skills. Holy and building their brands and perfecting their strategies. Oh, oh God. Woo! Invest time in learning and improving skills relevant to your chosen field. Regularly produce content or engage with your audience. Understand that success doesn't happen overnight. It's a long-term commitment. And be ready to pivot and adapt to market changes and new information. And according to Entrepreneur Magazine, most success stories involve years of dedication and persistence. But holy crap, that's hot. While it's true that making significant money online or with any business is challenging, but it's not impossible. The key is setting realistic expectations. And if you're willing to put in the time and effort, you can achieve success. But if you're looking for a quick buck, you're likely to be disappointed. It took me years of consistent effort to build my affiliate business. It wasn't easy, but the hard work paid off in the end. In conclusion, the promise of easy money online or offline is a myth. True success requires time, effort, and persistence. And if you're ready to commit to the journey, the rewards can be substantial. Remember, there are no shortcuts to genuine success. Holy shit, that was hot.